Well, it's a big change compared to what we were enjoying over the weekend when we had some summertime weather holding on. Today, it has certainly been chilly out there. Got that low overcast, occasional breaks in it. That's cold air stratocumulus we've got sitting over the city now. It's our Kentucky One Health weather bug camera. That one's sitting at St. Joseph Hospital, looking back toward downtown. So again, kind of a fall look there to the sky. As we are walking outside, it's also a fall feel. MaxTrack Live Doppler, even though the clouds are around, not much coming from them. So tonight, got frost? It's a potential. Over the last 48 hours, we went from summer, especially on Saturday when temperatures were in the 80s, to seasonal. Yeah, it feels cold out there, but calendar says October. It's supposed to be getting chilly. Next week, that's our next rain chance. And we're going to, looks like, go through from now until next Monday for our next rain chances. So again, let's talk about the potential for frost tonight. It's not going to be widespread tonight. But when we start talking about that toward the end of the growing season, the average first frost in Lexington, that's considered to be 36 degrees, taken at about 5 feet tall. Down at the ground level, you can have frost formation. That's October 14th on average. So, okay, we're already a little bit past that. Our latest first frost, November 9th. So over the next 3 weeks, it's going to happen. We will have our first 36-degree morning. The average first freeze, that's the end of the growing season. 32 degrees measured at the thermometer, October the 26th. So again, we're still a couple weeks away from that. Average hard freeze, that's when you just knock out everything. 28 for that temperature. The average for that is November the 5th. So we're right now pretty much on target. We are looking at temperatures overnight. There's 8 o'clock in the morning on our future track. Maybe a couple of mid-30s showing up in some of the sheltered valleys. Most of us will be in the upper 30s. I think Lexington, in the city, we shouldn't see any frost potential. We get out in the farms, it'll be a chance, as we are talking about temperatures at the moment running around the area that are running in the low 60s. Well, a few upper 50s showing up into the southeast where we had rain yesterday. But 61 Frankfort and Richmond, 58 in London, 59 in Jackson and Somerset. Lexington, we sit at 62. Air is really dry. You're talking about a light northwest wind. Only a trace of rainfall yesterday at the Bluegrass Airport, but better than a half-inch of rainfall east I-75 in eastern Kentucky. Say goodbye to the warmth, the near 80 of yesterday. Okay, there's the chill of today and what we have tomorrow, but there's a warm-up coming as we head toward the latter part of the week and the weekend. Fun to watch the clouds develop today. These are streaks of clouds headed from north to south. So again, you see that cold air that's been pouring into the area today, represented by those clouds. You get to the west of I-65, not much of that. So the high pressure is sitting basically overhead. As it drifts overhead tonight, the sky is clear, the winds are calm, the air is dry. That makes for a very cold morning. You can see the winds moving out away from that center of high pressure. It'll drift eastward tomorrow. As it does so, winds will turn a little more southerly. That helps to bump the temperatures up slightly tomorrow, much more so on Wednesday, but the main storm track is remaining way to the north. For our friends in Ireland, the remnants of Ophelia went by. They saw wind gusts in parts of southern Ireland over 100 miles an hour. So far, 3 deaths were reported in Ireland as the remnants of Ophelia, a hurricane in the Atlantic, passed by the island. Clearing, seasonably cold, patchy frost and fog later tonight. We drop down to the upper 30s. Tomorrow, it's mid-60s. Sunshine, little bit milder as we are looking ahead to Wednesday. More sunshine, temperatures warmer. We're in the upper 60s, and it's 70s from there on out. Bottom line is, this is some pretty terrific fall weather.
It sure is. We like it. Thank you, Bill.
All righty.
Governor Matt